Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The starting material is 1-fluoro, 2,4-dinitrobenzene, 2,4-dinitrochlorofluorobenzene analog, specifically 2,4-dinitrofluorobenzene. It reacts with hydrazine, NH2NH2, via nucleophilic aromatic substitution, SNAR, where the fluorine, activated by the two ortho-para-nitro groups, is displaced by the NH-NH2 group, giving 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, 2,4-DNP. So product A is 2,4-DNP. Statement A is correct. Moving on to the next step. 2,4-DNP, product A, reacts with methyl ethyl ketone, CH3COH to CH3, under acidic conditions with heat. This is the classic 2,4-DNP test for carbonyl compounds. The NH-NH2 group of 2,4-DNP reacts with the carbonyl of the ketone via condensation, addition elimination, losing water, H2O, to form a hydrazone, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Statement B says A to B is a dehydration reaction. This is correct because water is lost in forming the C is equal to N bond. Moving on to the next step. The product B is RCH is equal to NNHAR, a hydrazone, where R groups on C are different, CH3 and CH to CH3. The C is equal to N double bond in hydrazones can exhibit EZ, geometrical isomerism. Statement C is correct. And for the final step, product B is a 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. An oxime is formed when a carbonyl compound reacts with hydroxylamine, NH2O, giving R to C is equal to NO. Since A is 2,4-DNP, a hydrazine derivative, not hydroxylamine, product B is a hydrazone, not an oxime. Statement D is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.